So we're here at Angelina National Forest. We camped here. I camped here overnight, but my friend Pan, fun or not, he's been camping since when? Since when?
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Okay, so after eating breakfast, I said let's shoot some BB guns. So 17, isang box of 40s. So I like shooting BB or pellet guns because it's cheaper than using real firearms, plus less restrictions. I was telling Pan that you're allowed to shoot real guns in the national forest, but you need to know where. I mean the designated area. Okay, it's Pierce. There you go. Cut. Okay, so we already pierced the CO2. Now we are ready to load the pellets. So this is 500 pellets. This is around $6. So it's cheaper than shooting real ammo. Yeah. Like 500 rounds, $6. This is single shot. Just put it in. There's a groove. Push the bolt in, lock, you're ready to go. Safety is this, red.
Yeah.
Red is dead. That's safe.
Ah, okay.
Okay, so.
Fire is to go the other
Yeah.
way.
Okay, first shot. It's loaded. Safety off. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh. The red dot is, what do you call this? Fogging up. Put it on safe. Safe muna. Red dot is fogging up. Okay, first shot. It's on. Safety is on. Safety is off. Let's see if this is still zeroed.
All right. That's a great shot. Cool.
No. I load for you first, then later on.
Okay.
Yun nga lang, freestanding kasi. Okay.
So my turn to try.
Yeah, okay. It's already ready to fire.
Ready to fire.
No. Yung grip mo yan, that's cup and saucer. Ngayon, ganito na. Yeah.
Yan na.
Yeah, ganyan na ang grip. Tapos this is straight.
Turn straight.
Okay. Just point the red dot and feet apart para mas stable ka. Lean forward. Naka-ano. Yan. Yan talaga. That's the position.
That was red dot lang.
Yeah, yung pinakagitna, 'di ba? May dot pa sa gitna.
Yeah.
There you go.
Right. First shot.
First shot. You hit the target. First shot. Before yan, they call this the cup and saucer. Nandiyan to.
Yeah,
ito yung cup, ito yung saucer. So ang binago na nila yan kasi wala daw silbi to. Ikaw wait, yung recoil dapat.
Oh, okay.
So dapat ito nakahawak siya diyan kasi mapipigilan mo yung recoil.
Okay.
So every time you shoot, it's either real gun, BB guns, yan dapat. Para, anong tawag dito? Muzzle memory.
Oh,
Para hindi ka pa iba-iba. So, kahit real gun, ganyan ang hawak mo. Ito, wala na daw silbi to eh. Walang silbi to sa pag-handle ng recoil. Ito, yan. Yan palagi ang hawak. Tas nakita mo, una nakaganyan ka, di ba?
Oh.
Pag malakas na buro, babaliktad ka. Kaya dapat daw ganyan, naka-forward ka. Yung weight mo, naka-forward, tas naka-separate yung feet mo apart para mas stable ka.
Oh, okay.
Regardless kung malakas yung barrel, mahina barrel, isa lang. Kasi memory, muscle memory.
Okay.
So just because air gun to, kaya natin ko, kahit ganyan, dapat isa lang din. Kaya nag-air gun ako, it's a good training platform.
Alright.
So nakakapag-train ka kahit hindi totoong barrel.
Yeah.
So when you go to real guns, ganun pa rin ang posture mo, ganun ka pa rin mag-shoot, di ba?
Okay.
which is good. It's a
Yeah,
good
yeah.
training ground. Come on, let's just shoot.
Ganito kasi kuha pati yung target. Eh.
Di ko alam, siguro mas maganda sa'yo na may patungan ka. Dito ka umupo. Hindi. Yeah, dito ka upo. Oh.
Dyan.
Tapos gawin mo tong ano, rest, ganyan.
Okay.
Oh, this is easier, right?
Yeah. Let's try that one.
Yeah, try natin. So, Pan had 2 shots and 2 hits. 0 error, 0 miss. 0 miss. So, this is ready to fire. And then, pag nagre-rest ka, dapat dito, wag sa barrel. Dapat ang barrel palaging naka, kasi maapektuhan ng accuracy. Tignan mo kung kaya yan, ha.
So,
Masyado
ganun pa rin,
mababa.
Straight pa rin yung arm?
Yeah, hindi, it's up to you. Mababa masyado eh. O gusto mo yung, eto na ang ipatong mo.
Pwede din.
Okay? Kasi pagka nanginginig, di ba?
Mas steady nga to.
Oo. Laking tulong ng red dot eh.
Alright.
3-0!
3-0. 3 hits. and
3 hits. Nice. Like sa paper.
Paper, hindi mo
Butas lang.
makita.
Yeah, alam mo agad kung tumatama. May sound and may movement. How about yung ano mo, yung laptop mo, naka-charge ba? Okay.
Pwede natin.
Charge mo, may battery pack ako ah.
Para sa GoPro.
Charge ka. Yeah, you can use mine. Nalaglag pala yung target oh. It fell. See?
Yeah.
It fell yung isang target natin.
Ito nga yung last shot.
Paano mo tinamaan yun?
Sa body yung tumama eh.
Okay. Yung loop lang siguro nung ano.
Kasi hindi naman yung string.
Kala ko tinamaan yung string eh. Sniper ka na na.
Sniper niya.
Sniper. Woo! Perfection, no?
Magalaw pa rin siya eh.
Yeah, dagdagan sa challenge ngayon, 'di ba? Kasi daw, yun naman pag sa defensive situation, yung kalaban mo, yung target mo, hindi naman hinihintay na tamaan mo siya eh.
Yeah.
So maganda rin yan training. Miss. So just imagine pag yung target mo umiiwas,
Oo, tumatakbo.
matakbo or nag-move sideways.
Or if you're hunting, di ba?
Oh, yun lalo na pag nag-hunt ka, baboy daw mo, ang bilis kumilos eh. There you go, galing. Sniper, pwede ka na mag-enlist.
Pwede nga ako sumali sa mga pistol shooting.
Actually, itong format na to, ang tawag nito silhouette gun, yung para sa mga Olympics na barrel. Ganyan yan eh.
Ito yung ginagamit yata sa sa Olympics, di ba?
Oh, ganyan yung style.
Pero walang red dot.
Wala.
Open lang sila.
Oh. Ito yung challenge kasi. Miss!
Kunti lang, nakita ko yung bala sa side mo.
Nakita mo? Ito mo, ano siya eh. At least tignan mo yung impact niya sa water. Hit! Hit factor mo siguro nasa 9.2%. 90%, no?
90% na.
90. 80 to 90%.
Tatlo na yata ang miss.
Yeah, kasi challenging, di ba? It's rolling, it's spinning, and it's moving sideways. And stops, and then move back the other way. Oh, perfect!
Right. Very good.
Ang galing, tingnan mo yung movement niya. Look at the movement. makes it challenging. Zoom ko nga. Sige, sige. Dali. Don't shoot yet, don't shoot, don't shoot. Okay.
Hopefully I'll hit it.
There you go. Ooh.
Yeah, this gun is very good.
It's very accurate.
This gun. The red dot makes it makes all the difference, I guess.
Yeah, it is.
This is real good gun, and it's got the PNY prepper.
Yeah, it's my custom gun.
Yeah, very nice.
Let's shoot some more.
So for the red dot, does it have battery or?
Yeah,
Oh,
battery.
it's battery operated.
Yeah, it's like I forgot the size. Hit again. Siguro ano ka na? 92%
100% na.
Makakit ka na. 92 to 95% ka na hit rate.
Pero pag nag-compete ka, dapat 100%.
Oh yeah, all the time, yeah. You can't afford kasi mga kalaban mo.
100% din.
Oo.
So kailangan lang accurate ka lang. Ito mas malaking target ko kasi battle, di ba?
Battle. Yeah. Pero imagine if you're hunting, it's like the size of a squirrel. Di ba?
Yeah.
Hit again. Ay, makakit na. 95% hit rate ka na siguro.
Madami
It's
na
the
yung-
size of the squirrel. Tapos, nakita mo pag ina-apply mo yung shooting fundamentals,
Yeah.
mas naging accurate ka kesa nung first time mo ano.
Yeah, and you get more confident.
Yeah, you get more confident. And you're enjoying at the same time. See the battle, the battle. Okay? Okay. At ang taas na ng hit rate mo.
Kasi merong red dot.
Yeah, other than that, yun nga yung shooting fundamentals. Kasi otherwise, lahat sana na naka-red dot,
Oo,
perfect na.
oo.
So ibig sabihin,
100%.
meron pa rin yung shooter na yung factor ng tao human factor Kasi pag hindi mo in-apply yung breathing, yung trigger control, yung grip, you still miss kahit naka-red dot ka. See? I saw your muzzle, it moved.
Yun, nag-move.
Nag-move siya kaya you missed it. Yung last minute when you pull the trigger, so it's your trigger pull, hindi constant yung nag-jerk mo siguro. Maybe you jerk the trigger. Don't jerk. Slowly pull the trigger. Don't jerk it. See?
Yeah.
See? Kanina nakita ko, you jerked it. Gumanon Binigla mo siguro yung yung pull. Dapat smooth. Kaya yung mga competition guns, they have a very light trigger. Kasi the more the move your hand, your fingers, it will move the gun also. So dapat light lang talaga.
Yung tinatawag nilang hair trigger.
Yes. Yes, sa competition. For competition, for
Yung hunting, ganun.
Yep. Pero for self-defense, delikado naman yung hair trigger. Kasi nagpapump ka ng adrenaline. Yeah, see? So for self-defense, hindi maganda yung hair trigger. Kasi nagpapump ka ng adrenaline sa katawan mo. Ang lakas mo
Ang lakas mo
so baka daw pabunot ka pa lang, nakakalabit mo na siya. So yun ang naman disadvantage. Yes. So for competition, for hunting siguro, hair trigger is okay. Pero pag self-defense, longer trigger pull is okay. Yan, nakikita ko pag gumagalaw yung muzzle Smooth trigger pull ang secret. Smooth. Okay. Pan just decimated our target, so we need to reset. Safety on. Safe direction. Reset. We destroyed our target.
Alright. Good.
Garang barrel. Pero overall, yan, we had fun. Yan,
Yeah,
pakita
fun.
mo.
Fun or not,
Fun or not.
PNY prepper.
Fun or not?
Very good.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Let's shoot more guns. May iba pa akong dalang air guns.
Yay.